This vintage Technics SU-V4 receiver with tuner and equalizer. Let's see how it's work. Very nice condition.
Truck tree, if you see, I guess we're going to call this the front, on the front of the scaffold as you pull into. So anytime you want to know when you get here to Toy Drive, if you want to know exactly
Hunger could be living next door to you. Hunger is found in every zip code. And if
Wonderful Counselor, Almighty God, His name will be called Prince of... I know what's on your brain. You probably hope it never would end. Like, is it the real thing? Or is it just a one-night stand?
He's in more Larry Martino here on. When he came back, he's got a happy holidays.
Sound great, good condition. Thank you for looking. Good luck.